Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to do your Excel homework assignment with statistics. Go to your Palomar email and go to Excel. And you are going to create a new blank workbook. In the first row, you're going to put the title. It's the total. Let's go back to find the title. It's the 15 countries with the most immigrants. We're just going to focus on the top five. So we'll say the 5 countries with the most immigrants. And then below that, we're going to have our columns. So we need 4 columns. First is the ranking, who's first, second, third, etc. The country, the number of immigrants, and the percentage of the host country population. So I'm going to put here ranking, country, number of migrants, and the last one was percentage of the host country population. So if you see some of the text, we can't see it. So I'm going to go ahead and move. You can adjust the columns so that you can see all the words. Also, I'm going to make the title bigger. So it's at 11 font. Maybe I'll make it 18 to make it a little bigger. And I might change the color. And then I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I want to put it in the center. And then I'm going to list the countries. First was USA, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and again, as you go along, you might need to adjust so that the text fits. So you'll go through and write them and then put the number of immigrants. So for USA, it's 48.2. Sorry, I think it said immigrants. Number of immigrants. And then the percentage, so what percentage of that? So 15% of the people in the United States are immigrants. So I'll put 15.1, just like that. And this is million. You can even put a percentage sign if you want. So you'll go through and complete the chart, okay? When you're done, you can decide how you want to format it. For example, you could make like a heading or title. This is another, sorry, these ones here. I'm going to select these. These are the cell style. I think it's a heading. So I might put heading here and maybe change it to make it a little smaller. You can also change, so this is going on the right side. I might adjust the alignment so it's on the left or in the middle. So you're going to play with entering information in an Excel chart. When you're finished, make sure you save it. So I'm going to call this Excel immigration statistics. Maybe something like this. So you save it, and then when you're done, you're going to upload it to the assignment here. Okay? So have fun using Excel to organize information in a table. Yeah, and if you need help, come to our Zoom session. Bye.